If you want these graphics in your mobile, go in the description and download Theta resources from the link. Here is a tutorial. Once you download these two resources, click one of them and choose the Extract Here button, and then also extract the another package. After you extract them, click on the three dots and choose Multi-Select button and click on the extracted files. Click on the check button. Then touch and hold on the extracted files to see options. Then click on Cut button. Then go back. Click on Android and then Data. Scroll down and search for Mohang Minecraft PE. Click on Files, then Games, then Com Mohang. Then click on Resource Packs and paste here. This will take some time. After the process will complete, launch your Minecraft. Go to Settings and click on Global Resources. Then activate the two downloaded resources. After you activate them, open your world. And enjoy the beautiful graphics. Like and subscribe for more tutorials. Goodbye.